Good morning, kids! Welcome to another day of our class. I am Teacher Frell, your teacher in English 2, Quarter 4, Week 8. Our lesson for today is about reading phrases, sentences, and short stories consisting of words with short vowel sounds. Objective: read phrases, sentences, and short stories consisting of words with short A, E, I, O, and U, then answer the who, what, and where questions about them. In this lesson, we will be reading phrases and sentences having words with short vowel sound. We will also be reading short stories consisting of words with short vowel sound and answering the questions who, what, and where. Phrase and sentence are different. The main difference between phrase and sentence is that a phrase does not express a complete thought, whereas a sentence expresses a complete thought. Phrase and sentence are common structures in any language and are made up of a group of words. Read the following phrases. These are phrases with short A sound. These are phrases with short E sound. These are phrases with short I sound. These are phrases with short O sound. These are phrases with short U sound. Next, read the following sentences. These are sentences with short A sound. These are sentences with short E sound. These are sentences with short I sound. These are sentences with short O sound. These are sentences with short U sound. Kids, it's time for your activities. Read each sentence correctly, then answer the question that follows. Number 1. The lad has a cat. Who has a cat? Very good. The lad. What does the lad have? Very good. A cat. Number 2. The hen has eggs. Who has eggs? Very good. The hen. What does the hen have? Very good. Eggs. Number 3. The pigs have pits. Who have pits? Very good. The pigs. What does the pig have? Very good. Pits. Number 4. The cop have dogs. Who have dogs? Very good. The cop. What does the cop have? Very good. Dogs. Number 5. The nun have bugs. Who have bugs? Very good. The nun. What does the nun have? Very good. Bugs. Number 6. The ham is in the pan. What is in the pan? Very good. The ham. Where's the ham? Correct. In the pan. Number 7. The pet is in the bed. What is in the bed? Correct. The pet. Where's the pet? Very good. In the bed. Number 8. The pin is in the kit. What is in the kit? Correct. The pin. Where's the pin? Very good. In the kit. Number 9. The tot is in the cot. What is in the cot? Very good. The tot. Where's the tot? Correct. In the cot. Number 10. The cup is in the mud. What is in the mud? Very good. The cup. Where's the cup? Correct. In the mud. Next activity. Read the story below that consists short vowel sound. The title of the story is Farmer Dan. Farmer Dan has carrots. He puts the carrots into the basket. He takes the basket of carrots to the market. People buy carrots to Farmer Dan. Questions. Who has carrots? Very good. Farmer Dan. What are in the basket? Very good. Carrots. Where are the carrots? Correct. In the basket. Next story. The title of the story is Belle. Belle sells flowers. So she grows flowers in her garden. In her garden, there are sunflowers, roses, santans, and sampaguitas. Every day, she sprinkles the garden with water. Questions. Who sells flowers? Very good. Belle. What are in the garden? Correct. Flowers. Where are the flowers? Very good. In the garden. Next, the title of the story is Tim. Tim is sick. He is in the bed. His mother wants to cheer him up. So he watched a movie with his mother. Tim smiles. Thank you, Mom, he says. Questions. Who is sick? Very good. Tim. What cheers him up? Correct. A movie. Where is Tim? Very good. In the bed. Next story. The title of the story is Don. Don and his father are passing by the river. Suddenly, he wants to go fishing. So he takes off his socks and puts them on the rock. Then, Don and his father starts fishing. Questions. Who are passing by the river? Correct. Don and his father. Where they go fishing? Correct. By the river. What he wants to do? Very good. He wants to go fishing. Very good, kids! Remember, phrase and sentence are different. The main difference between phrase and sentence is that a phrase does not express a complete thought, whereas a sentence expresses a complete thought. Phrase and sentence are common structures in any language and are made up of a group of words. So kids, did you understand our topic for today? Very good! Did you learn how to read phrases and sentences? Very good! So again, what was our topic for today? Correct! It's about reading phrases, sentences, and short stories consisting of words with short vowel sounds. Kids, I hope you learned a lot from our lesson. Until our next topic, bye-bye kids!